Our project is about how our actions impact others. So you come into the room and there's an anticipation of what is going to happen. And you can see that some actions will have consequences on the canvas and on the floor. So the project is about how our actions impact others and create new beginnings.
Welcome everybody! We begin today's ceremony with a sacred reading. So our title is called The Breakup, and the idea of that is the human relationship or humans breaking up with plastic. So we're looking to bring that to a humorous and funny light. So we tried to touch on a lot of different religions and cultures and cults and this kind of idea about how we could bring the Bauhaus and different movements to light. And then, subtly showing how plastic is all around us. It's time we must part ways.
It's time we must part ways.
It's not you, it's me.
It's not you, it's me.
So long and farewell.
So long and farewell.
The name of this project is Plastics Are Forever. And the whole idea is that we want to challenge people's perception of what is waste and what is not. So we created this room where you enter in silence. You get on this talcum powder and then white gloves. And after that, you get a piece of what is actually just plastics. But in this very formal setting, you have to carry this piece of plastic all the way through the room until you see this huge chandelier made out of these plastic sheets. And then you have to put on your own sheet to add on to the entire chandelier, so you become somehow a creating part of this project.
We invite people to eat a plum, and as they walk through our space, they're invited to plant it into the soil and touch the soil with their hands, reconnecting them physically with where their food originated. And people have lost touch with the very nature of where the origin of the food is from. It's not, they first see and are presented their food in a shop wrapped in plastic in a very modern setting, and they forget that all of our food grows and comes from a sustainable source.